Today we're making paneer curry and a flatbread in a frying pan. So we've got 250 grams of paneer, which we're going to cut into cubes in a minute, an onion, 2 tablespoonfuls of oil, 2 teaspoonfuls of coriander, 2 teaspoonfuls of, I'll come back to that when my memory serves me better, 1 teaspoonful of turmeric and half teaspoonful of cayenne pepper, some black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic and some crushed ginger. What's this one? Cumin. 2 teaspoonfuls of cumin. So we're going to start off by frying the onion in the oil. Jasper's got 250 grams of self-raising flour in the bowl and 250 grams of yoghurt, and is mixing it to a paste. That's for the flatbread. Stan's got a large pan, and we're going to put the oil in the pan, and Stan is going to fry the onions gently until they're soft. Okay. Right, Stan's got the onions soft now, so we're going to add in the spices, the ginger and the garlic, and Stan's going to keep stirring. Black pepper. Well, you need a spoon for this.
Spoon?
A spoon. So that's the ginger. And this is the garlic. Now Stan, you'll keep stirring just to cook those spices. That's it.
Smells good.
Now
Good.
Jasper needs a frying pan to cook the paneer. Which we're going to cook. Now what I want you to do, is this one on? What I want you to do,
Do you want us to turn off?
sorry,
Do you want to turn the thing off?
in a minute. I'm just telling him what to do before I...
We can cut that bit out, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just cut it out.
Good.
you need to cut this
Right.
into cubes.
Ooh, shoes.
No, not yet.
Sorry.
Unsupervised children here.
Good job the camera's switched off, that's all I had to say.
It's not switched off.
Not switched off, you told me to leave it on.
No, I didn't.
It did.
Right, Stan's spices are now cooked. So we're tipping in a tin of chopped tomatoes plus half a tin of water. So give it a good old stir, Stan.
Ooh,
That's it.
You're alright, Jasper. Did I get you?
Yeah,
Sorry,
you want my leg?
I've got to put the rest in as well. And now once it comes to a simmer, you're just going to leave it to cook.
So,
So is that filming?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. So Jasper is going to fry the paneer until it's browned on all sides. Don't fill the pan up,
Just a couple.
just a few at a time. What you need to do is when they get brown on one side, turn them over. Okay?
is this, shall I just leave it?
So,
Yeah.
there's some doubles in there, you know.
Oh. Well, it's me that's not cutting right. It'll be alright. It doesn't take much cooking. Don't put any more in now, Jasper. Just let them brown. And when they brown, turn them over.
Okay.
Now the dough for the flatbreads, we need to just knead it lightly. Roll it in the flour. That's it. Don't forget, pull it with your fingers and knead it with your knuckles.
Oh, it's this stuff again.
Yeah, you don't stick your fingers in it. You don't stick your fingers in it, you just do it, use your knuckles. Like that.
Oh, I get it.
Just lightly. That'll be okay now. So we're going to cut that and make 4 balls and we're going to leave it on one side.
Shall I wash my hands?
Yes.
Right, turn it off now. Again.
Okay, turn it off.
Good.
Yeah? Turn it off now.
Yep, there we
So
are.
the paneer's brown now and Jasper's dipping it into the curry. And Stanley is going to give it a very careful stir. So as not to break up the cheese. You can put that in the sink now, Jasper. Thank you. That's it. Lovely. Looks delicious. Shall we show them
Yes.
what it looks like? Tip the pan a bit, Stan. That's it.
Ah,
That
Look
looks
at that,
beautiful.
it's nice.
Looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Good.
That's done. All we need to do is sprinkle that with some fresh coriander when we serve it.
yes.
So the breads are cooking in the frying pan. They've been brushed with oil and Stan's is ready to flip over. Go for it, Stan.
Oh, that's
beautiful.
good.
And
Beautiful.
What about you, Jasper? Is yours ready?
We'll have a look.
That's it.
There you go.
We'll have a look.
Get hold of the handle with one hand.
I'll give it a couple more minutes.
Yeah.
And mine needs.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're on the small gas ring, electric ring. It's not as hot.
Shall we put it on like 6 then? for mine?
It's on at full. Max.
Now it was.
Max.
It was on 5.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So these are the beautiful flatbreads that the boys have made.
They look very tasty.
Yeah.
And this is the
And
paneer.
this is the curry. Fantastic.
It looks amazing.
It does look amazing,
With
yeah.
these as well. These are a masterpiece. These are mine.
Yeah, we're just going to sprinkle a bit of
This
fresh
This is also
coriander
my other one.
when we
Very good.
serve it. Okay.